Kiswahili for Beginners. Nouns and Plurals. Part 5. Noun class uzi. Ufunguo, key. Ufunguo, key. Funguo, keys. Funguo, keys. Wimbo, song. Wimbo, song. Nyimbo, songs. Nyimbo, songs. Ufagio, broom. Ufagio, broom. Fagio, brooms. Fagio, brooms. Ukuta, wall. Ukuta, wall. Kuta, walls. Kuta, walls. Udevu, beard. Udevu, beard. Ndevu, beards. Ndevu, beards. Ulimi, tongue. Ulimi, tongue. Ndimi, tongues. Ndimi, tongues. Ukoo, clan. Ukoo, clan. Koo, clans. Koo, clans. Uso, face. Uso, face. Nyuso, faces. Nyuso, faces. Uzi, thread. Uzi, thread. Newsy, threads. Newsy, threads. Ua, fence. Ua, fence. Nyua, fences. Nyua, fences. Wavu, net. Wavu, net. Nyavu, nets. Nyavu, nets. Ubavu, rib. Ubavu, rib. Mbavu, ribs. Mbavu, ribs. Udole, toenail. Udole, toenail. Ndole, toenails. Ndole, toenails. Ukumbi, hall. Ukumbi, hall. Kumbi, halls. Kumbi, halls.